In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Word product activation failed issue. So what you're going to do, you can go on your computer here, click on your File Explorer. So go to your File Explorer, just open it up. And then from here, click on your local PC, your local drive. So you go to your local PC, this PC, and then open up your local drive. Okay, you'll open up your local drive. And from here, choose the program files. Okay, click on the program files. And from once you're on the program files here, look for Microsoft Office. So open up the Microsoft Office folder, and then from here you're going to look for this Office 16 folder here. Open it up. So open up the Office 16 folder here. So once you have opened up the Office 16 folder here, we're going to look for this particular file Offstream. So scroll all the way and then look for this particular file. So we're just going to look into mine. So Offstream, so that's the file name, Offstream. So yep, there you go, this one here. So once you find the file, click on it, right click after that, and then from the options here, hit on Run as Administrator. Okay, click on Run as Administrator, and now launch the Office, and that should fix up the issue. This will fix all the issue with all the other Office applications as well, including PowerPoint and Excel as well.